Good morning. Casey is about 8 months and 3 weeks old, and he's getting a little cranky because I think he's ready for his nap. But he's such a good boy. Hi, Casey. He likes smoochies and he likes being tickled. Can I get some laughs out of you? Can I get some good giggles out of you? And see your cute little feet. Hi, Mr. Feet. And you like to stand. Let's show some standing on my lap. Oh, there's some good standing. There's some good standing. And look at your reflection. Aren't you a handsome boy? Look at your rosy cheeks. Look at your rosy cheeks. Don't they make you want to smile? Or, and you know what else you like to do? You like to hang upside down. Ready? Whoa. Ready? Oh, you're smiling. You are smiling. Ooh. Ooh. Are you having fun, Casey? Ooh. Yeah, this is good stuff, isn't it? Okay, we'll put you back down so people don't think we're torturing you. But clearly we're not. Look how happy you are now. Hi, Mr. Casey. You say good morning. Good morning. All right. On to the next thing.